Hello everyone, I am Manoj, master student at TU Delft. This video was created as a part of the course Data Science for the 99% taught by Feline Henders. In this video, let us see how to manage data in XML files using Excel. What is XML? XML stands for Extensible Markup Language and is primarily used for storing textual data. It is widely used for exchanging data in the internet. An XML file mainly contains of elements and attributes. Let us take an example of the use of XML in software testing, in particular test case management. In this example, the tag test case, external ID, execution type denote the elements. Attributes are represented by the double quotes within the tags. As you can see, the XML files are well structured and is machine readable. Editing an XML file in a text editor is cumbersome. A very tiny single mistake will destroy the validity of the entire XML document. Hence, it is easier for machine to read and process the XML than humans. This is where Excel comes into the picture. Let us see how to manipulate XML using Excel. In your Excel, if you don't see Developer tab on the ribbon, follow these steps. Click on File, Options. In the new window, click on the Customized ribbon. Ensure that there is a tick mark near the Developer in the main tab on the right hand side. Click OK. You should be able to see the Developer tab. When you click on the Source button, an empty XML source toolbar appears on the right hand side. Now let us import an XML file. Click on the Import button. Select the XML file that you want to import and click Import. Excel will warn you that source does not contain schema and a new one will be created. Click OK. Excel will prompt for the cell location from where the XML data will be imported. Select any cell reference and click OK. Now you can see the generated XML schema on the right hand side. The data from the XML document is imported into Excel as a data table and can be conveniently edited. The relationship between the elements, attributes in the XML and corresponding columns in Excel sheet is called an XML map. In some situations, you will have to edit these mappings manually. You can see the different maps available. Now let us see what happens when an XML file changes externally. I am editing the XML file that we just imported. I've changed the first test case and I'm saving the document. Now I don't see any changes reflected in the Excel. Excel does not load data automatically from external XML documents. You have to manually click the refresh data button so that Excel can reload the data from the XML file. This is very useful when you are dealing with external XML documents. You can import data from different XML files that has the same schema. Let me import a different XML file called example2.xml that has 3 test cases in it. When I click import, you will notice that it didn't ask me any confirmation dialog box that the data will be lost. Now let me import a document with a different schema called food example. If I try to import the document, I get an error message called this operation cannot be completed because XML table is bound to a different XML map. So you cannot import different schemas into the same Excel worksheet. Finally, let us see how to export data into an XML file. Click on anywhere within the data frame. Click on export. You can give a new name to the XML file and click export. Your file will be saved in the new location. This is the XML file that was exported. Thank you for watching this video. To know more about data analysis using Excel, please join the MOOC data science for 99% at edx.org. Thank you.